Hi, Josh. How are you? It's good to see you again. So, today we're going to do our lesson, and our lesson is a new book to read. But before we start reading, I want you to stand up and we're going to do a few exercises. Are you ready? Stand up. Get ready. There you go. Can you stand up? And you're going to swing your arms. Here we go. Get ready. Three, two, one, go. Kick, down and kick. See if you can do it, Josh. Oh, I like how you're doing your kicks. Is Mom helping you? Or Elizabeth or Jessica? Or is Dad helping? Good job, Josh. Let's see what's next. Three, two, one, go. Ooh, mountain climbers. Go faster, go faster. Good job, Josh. Keep going. Ooh, you're using all your muscles. You're staying healthy. Good job, Josh. We're almost ready. Ooh, you can take a break for a little bit. We're going to do one more exercise. Here we go. You love to jump. Start jumping. Good job, Josh. Jump, jump, jump. Keep going. Get your body moving. Just like with Miss Christina. Good job, Josh. So now that you exercise, why don't you have a seat at your table? Take a deep breath. And we're going to get ready to do some work first, and then you can see the video. Remember, we do work first, and then we do the video. So the first thing we're going to do is read a story. And the story is called What Does Hugh Hear? This over here is your communication board. So you can help read it with me and you can pick out the words. So this is Hugh, and this is all about things that he can hear with his ears. So it says Hugh hears many sounds. So here's Hugh, and what does he do? He hears sounds. Hugh hears sounds. There's Hugh. Tick tock. Hugh hears a, what does he hear? Show me on your communication board. What does Hugh hear? Yes, he hears a clock. So we can say it as a sentence. Hugh hears a clock. You try it. Touch it with me. Hugh hears a clock. Good job. Chirp, chirp. Hugh hears a, what does Hugh hear? Yes, Hugh hears a bird. Good job, Josh. Meow, meow. Hugh hears, what does he hear? Can you tell me in a sentence? Touch all the words to tell me what Hugh hears. So we're going to say Hugh hears a cat. Good job. Splash, splash. Hugh hears. What does he hear? Look at the picture. You're right, he hears water, but can you do it in a sentence? Hugh hears water. Nice. Ding dong. Hugh hears a doorbell. The doorbell goes ding dong. Good job, Josh. That's the end of our story, but let's go back and now I'm going to ask you a question. What makes the sound ding dong? Yes. Josh, who was the story about? Who was the story about? Yes, the story was about Hugh. Last question. What goes chirp, chirp? Yes, the bird goes chirp, chirp. Very good, Josh. Now you get to watch some of your video. You did a great job. So let's listen.
Boys and girls, I'm looking for some things for school. I need my pen, my pencil, my rubber, my ruler, my
He's going to school. I wish you were at school, Josh.
What's that? What is it? Well done. This is my favorite dark blue.
We're going to stop here, Josh. And we're going to see what's next. We can do more video later. Oh, Josh, now we have to do some math. Now we were working on putting things together. And we had, if you need to put things together, you see a plus sign. And a plus means they're going to put together. So you can say 1 plus 1. We put them together and we have 2. We can also put together fingers. I can say 2 plus 1 put together equals 1, 2, 3. So let's look at this math problem. 2 plus put together with 1 equals, let's count them, 1, 2, 3. Can you find number 3? This is number 3. So let's check again. 2, 1, 2, put together with 1 equals 1, 2, 3. Good job, Josh. Here's another one to practice. Remember, we're going to put together 1 plus 3, put them together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus, put together with 3 equals 4. Here's your next one. Ooh, this one is different. 1 plus 0. How many fingers does he have up? Let's count them. 1. I only see 1 finger. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Good job, Josh. Now it's time for you to do some work at home. I want you to get out a piece of paper and write your name. Joshua. Mom's going to pause this. And when you're done writing your name, you're going to do something next. So write your name very carefully. Joshua. Mom, after he writes it, you can press play again. Good job writing your name, Josh. We get to listen to some more video. Let's see. We have to wait though. It's kind of boring, huh? Be patient with me. There we go. Let's move it along. There we go. Whoa. It's a big pencil, Josh. It's black and yellow.
Finished. Okay, now it's time to play. Come on. Oh, look at my playground. Wow, what can we do? Well, hey, we can jump on the river. Yay! Jump, jump, jump. Wow!
Josh, we're all done for today. So I'm going to tell you bye-bye, and we will see you next time. Bye, Josh. You did good work. I'm proud of you. See you again.